This is Keep On Pushing TV with Devon Harris.
I am a woman who, at the age of 43, while working full-time and raising a family and having elder care for my parents, I decided I was going to pursue a lifelong dream and get my doctorate. And I wanted to get a doctorate. I was so scared because there was really just one institution where I wanted to get it. And it was really competitive, but I got in. You know, getting in is one thing, getting through is another. And there are a lot of people who tell you, how are you going to manage it all? And I decided the more you tell me no, the more I'm going to do it anyway, right? As Albert Einstein said, thank you to all of those who said no to me. It's because of you that I did it anyway. I learned that when people are going to say no, it's because they don't understand how to do it. It doesn't mean that you can't do it.